Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. As you can see today I have a Zenpop Box unboxing video for you. So let's just get on with it. December, winter holiday. Actually, even though it is supposed to be summer in Australia, it does kind of still feel quite cold. If you ask any Melburnian especially, for some reason it still doesn't feel like summer is here. So first, Pikachu, oh my gosh. Okay, you guys know Pokemon. Oh, okay, it's like a notepad but with two different styles. So you've got this style of Pikachu and then this one here. I don't know, I've been obsessively playing Pokemon Go, so I'm still all up on the Pikachu bandwagon or the Pokemon bandwagon. And then we have these little cards. Oh man, I am still wondering if I should really do the Christmas card this year. You know, I almost think I might not do it this year, which is kind of upsetting me, but I just don't think I'm gonna have time. I just feel like there's too much going on, but this just reminds me of it because you've got these little like mittens, which are like cards, and then you've got these envelopes that go with it. Oh, it's so cute. I just noticed we have some pens here, so I'm gonna put these aside to test at the end of the video. And then we have, pretty sure this is like deco tape, which I'll try at the end so you can see what I mean. So we have some washi here. Let me open this up quickly. Okay, so we have a beautiful like Christmas tree winter washi tape with snow. Oh, it's so nice. Every time I get new washi tape, I feel like I don't use washi tape enough, even though I do use washi tape, but I probably feel like I need to use it more. What is this? It's like an eraser. Okay, I've just read what it is. It's essentially a razor, but it's got a like cute gimmick to it where he's got a little magnetic head here. So as you erase and you've got the erasing shavings, you can kind of hover this part of his head over the shavings and he grows hair. So let me show you a picture here in the pamphlet because it just makes so much more sense if you see it, like how he's got like little hair here. So it's not really for practical reasons, but I love it. It's so cute. It's so Japanese, if that makes sense. Like it's such a cute gimmicky little thing. We have little mini bags. Oh man, I just you know, it's just reminding me that my niece's birthday's coming up and Christmas coming up, so I have to get her 2 presents, so I need to figure out what she wants. But I love gifting her like little cute things, so I love using things like that for her. We've got some stickers, some snowman stickers, and these are completely flat, so I'm definitely going to use these in my bullet journal. And then the last thing is little gift bags. These are like sealable envelopes, so you can probably put candy. I mean, that's what I would usually use for bags that you can actually airtight seal, is like any goods or fruits, and I think that's kind of what they recommend too. You get 4 different designs. Awesome, let's go try out those pens. Okay, before we get into the pens, I wanted to show you guys the tape up front, so I could do it at the top here. Basically, it looks exactly like whiteout tape. It even has like this little protector so that you don't have dirt sticking to the tape or anything like that. I love it. I feel like you only get these little like safety covers, like these like little details, but minor. Like they seem minor, but they're just such big considerations with stationery. I find them much more prominent with Japanese brands. So let's try. There you go. Okay, it's really, really faint. I don't know how much more I can bring it up because I don't know my camera will focus much more. But yeah, you can kind of see the design there. This pen I've already tried, as in like the Uniball Signal. I mean, I know I'm gonna love this. I have the white and silver version. I don't think I have gold. But they're just beautiful metallic pens. I mean, that's the one thing I really love about Zenpop, is that they always give you really good quality branded pens as opposed to more like generic black gel pens. So every single pen I get from Zenpop I always keep and use. You know what I just realized? I think this is not actually tape, it's actually glue, because I just touched it and it got really sticky, and then I went to look at the note and yeah, it's glue. It's not actually like a washi tape. So I'm gonna have to put some annotations at the start of the video when I start introducing it, because I was so certain it was like normal tape, but I totally missed it. It's actually glue. That's very fancy glue. I like it. I don't have any glue like that. Anyways, so this is just a standard pencil. It feels very comfortable. I like it because it's light. Like maybe hate's a strong word, but I'm not a big fan of heavy pens, so this is very light. It's easy to use. It's 0.5, so it's just like a standard pencil. And yeah, so those are all the stationery items that came with this month's Zenpop box. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I have a little discount code, A Beautiful Fable, that I have always down in my description box. I don't get anything for it, but it's just purely for a gift for you guys. If you ever want to try Zenpop, then you can get a discount on your first box. I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina, Funny from my room. Back to the internet.